Hello procrastinators. Today we are going to make a DIY wooden planner sign. So the first thing I did was make my Cricut maker. And you can see here all of the items that I needed to make the product. But I used that Cricut maker to make the stencil. After I made the stencil, actually before I made the stencil, I painted the board, which came from a roof. So I painted the board with apple blossom, antique white, and a Waverly truffle color. I'm using a cosmetic sponge, and I use that cosmetic sponge to first dab down the white, and then came back and used the sponge to go over it just a little bit to age it a little bit and use the truffle color from the Waverly paint. So after I did that, I am going to remove the stencil. Okay, so after I pulled up the stencil, I also had to weed just where the like open O's to the E or open circles to the E's and letters that had a gap in them, I should say. So from there, as you can see, I am marking where I wanted the jars to be placed onto the wood board. Once I had my marks in place, I took the clamp. And first I thought I could just screw straight down through the clamp, but I ended up having to pre-drill a hole, and then I was able to, after I pre-drilled that hole, was able to use the same screw to then drill the clamp or screw the clamp down onto the board. So the next part of this process would be us just tightening down the clamps to where we wanted them. So as you can see, my husband stepped in so that I can videotape this part. So he screwed down the clamps, which is just an easy, as you can see, twisting the screwdriver down just so that the jars could stay in place. After the jars were in place, rocks were added to the bottom of the jar, and then soil was added on top of that, and then the plants, of course, was added to the jars as well, which finished the project. If you like this project, please like. If you like the projects that you've seen me do, and interested in other things that I may do in the future, please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, these turned out beautiful, and I try to find beautiful things to do. So please like, subscribe, comment, and you know what? I'll see you all the next time.